how to share phone screens on Android. First of all, go to Play Store. Here you will search a power needle. That app, download it. After that, connect the hotspot to the phone where you want to connect the screen. So basically, for example, I want to connect that phone to my another phone, or I want to share the screen. So I will simply on Wi-Fi in that phone and hotspot in another phone. After that, click on that app. Now click on Next. Here you will see local cast. So basically, you will open that app in both phones. After that, click on local cast. And here, it will detect another phone. And after it detected, just simply tap on it and hit the password. And that's it. Your phone's screen will be shared. Thanks for watching.